Hello friends! If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy it. For those of you who are my fans and subscribers, welcome back and thank you for the patronage. I deeply appreciate it. Today, I'm going to be talking about our path to religion, Neanderthals. Now, we actually lived with Neanderthals and interbred. As a species, Homo erectus was the most long-lived. Because of this success and the wide geographic distribution, at least 700,000 years ago, they started to evolve into different hominin species that collectively are designated archaic Homo sapiens. Some in this hominin group developed major cognitive advances, one of which was essential for understanding the gods. These hominins have been given different names depending on their location. Examples include Homo heidelbergensis, Homo neanderthalensis, and Homo rhodesiensis. Archaic humans in Siberia have been called Denisovans and interbred with both Neanderthals and modern humans. We know this because Denisovan DNA has been found today in Melanesians, Aborigines, and other groups in that area. The best known of these groups is Neanderthals because they lived in Europe, where most archaeological research has taken place. The Flintstones are also based on Neanderthals. They lived about 230,000 to 40,000 years ago. No evidence suggests Neanderthals migrated to China or that they ever lived in Africa. The most noteworthy Neanderthal characteristic happened to be their large brains, larger even than modern humans. Neanderthals were much larger than Homo erectus, averaging 65 inches in height and 185 pounds. Their short, stocky frames suited the cold European climate. In the summer, they migrated with animal herds, while they spent winter in a home base, generally caves. At the time, Europe was much colder than it is now, so it is reasonable to assume that they used fire and animal skins for warmth. They also were excellent hunters and made stone tools, bone tools, and weapons superior to Homo erectus. Despite their large brains and sophisticated hunting, evidence thus far shows Neanderthal culture is static. Their spears are the height of their innovation. Recently, however, researchers have been asking if their culture was really as static as it appears to have been. For example, some think that Neanderthals were using red ochre for body decoration as far back as 200,000 years. However, red ochre has a variety of uses, including as an insect repellent. Neanderthals did have one huge advantage over their predecessors. For the very first time in history, evidence suggests they showed caring behavior towards others. In a cave in Iraq, archaeologists found the remains of 9 Neanderthals who died around 60,000 to 90,000 years ago. One older man had severe injuries, including many fractures that had healed before his death. Even today, one would not survive without the care of others. Also, evidence suggests that occasionally Neanderthals would bury their dead. At least 50 intentional burials at 20 Neanderthal sites have been found. This could suggest belief in an afterlife, or it could have been done simply to prevent the body from being eaten by animals. Well, friends, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, press the subscribe button, and if you would like to know when I come out with new content, hit the bell next to the subscribe button. I have been told notifications aren't working very well right now. I usually have something up every day. My Twitter, Discord, email, and PayPal links are in the description, along with the source that I used for this episode. Please leave comments in the comment section. I love hearing from you. Remember, I am taking requests. It doesn't have to be on a religion, but I would prefer it be something on religion. Question everything and never be afraid. Here are a couple of videos from my library. If you have not watched them yet, go ahead and watch them and tell me what you think. Until next time, friends, goodbye.